Welcome back, class. Now we're going to focus on our week 2 graded assignment, chapter 8, check yourself. In the previous video, we reviewed the chapter 9, check yourself. Now we're going to focus on completing and submitting chapter 8. In order to enter into the assignment, we want to click on the green puzzle piece next to week 2, graded assignment, chapter 8, check yourself. Once this page loads, it's either going to open your assignment into a new tab, or in Middle Rooms, there will be a blue hyperlink under the Cengage box here for you to click on to enter into the assignment. Once that assignment is loaded, we want to make sure that we are completing the correct chapter. It says chapter 8, check yourself here, so we know that we're ready to go. Once you're ready to start that assignment, click on the blue Start Assignment Now button. In this assignment, you have 10 questions to answer. Within each question, you have the opportunity to check your work before moving on to the next question. So answer the question, check your work, move on to the next one. The ultimate goal of this assignment is to get a green check mark next to numbers 1 through 10 in order to receive a 100. Once you're ready to complete and submit your assignment, click on the blue Submit Assignment for Grading button here. A black box will pop up and ask you if you're ready to submit and exit this assignment. Click on the blue Submit for Grading button now. The next page will load, telling you what you scored on this assignment. If you'd like to try again for a higher score, you have the opportunity to do so 2 more times before submitting your final grade. If you'd like to take it again, click on the Take This Again hyperlink to start the assignment over. If you have any questions about Chapter 8, check yourself, reach out to your instructor or your academic coach. We're always willing to help. Good luck, and we'll see you next week.